안녕하세요. Hi everyone. Here we have another Korean daily drill. In this video, let's learn about Korean composite vowels. If you don't know what Korean composite vowels are, you can go to Hangul vowels video. I cover the basics of all kinds of vowels there. Then I'm gonna assume all of you know at least what Korean composite vowels are from now on. Then let's get it started. Composite vowels are composed of two vowels, one horizontal and one vertical one, as its name suggests. In Hangul, there are 5 horizontal vowels and 9 vertical vowels. However, not every vertical and horizontal one can match up to form a composite vowel. In present Korean, there are only 7 composite vowels, so you can understand that composite vowels are fundamentally built up by fusing 2 independent vowels together. But in practice, it is far more practical to think that you're gonna learn 7 more new vowels in addition to all the horizontal and vertical vowels. Again, we have only 7. Here are the 7 composite vowels and we're going to know how to pronounce each of them. Do you remember how to pronounce them? It is very easy. Read from horizontal vowel and then vertical vowel, but in a smoothly linked way. Then from the left we have 의, 위, 와, 워, 왜, 왜. The first vowel, 의, consists of the horizontal 을 and then the vertical 이. So by linking them together, we have 의. By making it smoother, we have 의. As for the second vowel, we have the horizontal u and then vertical e. 우이, 위. Third one, 와. We have o, a, then 와. Okay, let's move on to the next one. 워. It is composed of u and 어. 우어, 워. The next vowel, 왜, is composed of the horizontal o and the vertical 에. Linking them together, we have 오에, and then prettify it, we have 왜. The next vowel, 왜, it is composed of the horizontal u and the vertical 에. 우에, 왜. Let's compare this sound to the formal vowel 왜. They make the same sound, right? No difference at all. 왜. Okay, now we have the last vowel. This one is very special. According to the fundamental principle of forming composite vowels, it is supposed to make 위 sound, right? 위. In that it is composed of the horizontal O and the vertical E. However, it actually makes 왜 sound. 왜. The same one as the previous 2 vowels. You need to memorize this vowel especially because it is an exception. So, here's the tip. The last 3 composite vowels, 왜, sound the same, exactly same, 왜. Another tip. Y-fied vowels do not build up composite vowels. They are totally excluded. Okay, let's read each of them from the left again. 의, 위, 와, 워, 왜. Now you know all Korean vowels. Before going to next drill, shall we take a look at composite vowels combined with various head consonants in real-world examples? Remind yourself that when it comes to syllable structure, composite vowels naturally occupy both places that are originally designated to both horizontal one and vertical one. 쥐, 참외, 과자, 궤도, 의자, 돼지, 1. G. 참외, 과자, 궤도, 의자, 돼지. 1. Some might find it hard because they bind to head consonant in unfamiliar way. They kind of wrap up head consonants from left and bottom side. Even so, as I mentioned before, there are only 7 composite vowels. Thank you for watching and see you in the next drill session. 다음에 봐요.